Hello everyone, again welcome. Here are some beautiful ideas for everyone, decoration ideas for every woman who wants to create something beautiful times with their family. So while decorating relaxes your mind, it can also open doors to creativity, purpose, and maybe even a little extra income. So you can make your own brand, you can make if you are a crafter, artisans, you can make your own brand. People love buying handmade decoration, especially around Xmas. You can sell your crafts online on say Instagram or local markets. Simple ideas, make something Dollar Tree product, make something wall hanging decoration, wreath or tree ornaments are affordable to make but look premium, perfect for gifts or decor lover. So while making something and decorate something, your mind relaxes your mind. It can also open doors to creativity, purpose, and maybe even a little extra income. Xmas is a season of love and joy and creativity. So create and decorate your home. Be a perfect artisan. The perfect time to slow down and craft mindfully. Instead of rushing for a store-bought decor, sit with your family and kids and make something beautiful ornaments with pinecone, rustic, wooden board. Together, life, love, while gluing buttons. Share stories while crafting. Turn your creative time into quality time. Mindful crafting not only makes your home more beautiful, but also fills it with positive energy and emotional warmth. Did you know that decorating and crafting also grow into a beautiful mindful set in a small business? And now let's talk about why crafting, especially during the holidays, is so beautiful for your mind and heart. Decorating is beautiful and beneficial for your home. It comes peace with it, neatness and comes peace with it. When you focus on placing each place and decorate something new, and you feel after that you decorate. After decoration, you feel I did that carefully. You forget your worries, your mind becomes calm and present. Decoration is like meditation, it helps you stay peaceful and centered. Make something glass jar or candle holder. When the light shines through it, creates a colorful glow, a cozy festive vibe for your table decor. Take 3 bottles of 3 colors, add some pine cones, add some ribbons, add some fairy lights. Each of these crafts and decoration add warmth, personality, and handmade beauty to your Xmas celebration. Let's talk about some beautiful Xmas ideas you can make right at home this festival. Xmas trees you can decorate and make wreath ornament, snowflake designs, greeting cards, and candle holders. Each of these decoration adds warmth, personality. So, crafting is the most simple yet magical forms of art. Decoration is a part of art. You don't need expensive tools or materials. You can use just colorful pine cones, add some colorful bottles, recycle jar, add some mason jars, a little glue, and add some string and creativity. Pine cones from different colors, bottles from different colors and shapes and sizes. And that's what makes crafting with them so exciting. You can make many things, centerpiece of table and wall hanging, sparkling wreath decoration, wall hanging decoration, door wreath, and even wall art using only these type of things and glue. Thank you for joining us today. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We are doing best. We are trying to doing the best ideas. We are trying to bring the best and beautiful ideas for our viewers. a subscriber. Have a very nice and good journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family.